We are more than halfway through the baseball and softball regular season, and with that comes the All-A sectional. Prestonsburg are your 15th region champs, while Hazard represents the 14th region. Monday night, the two faced off for a trip to the All-A State Tournament held in Lexington. The Black Cats on the road, taking on the Bulldogs. Let's pick things up. Bottom of the second, down one. Griffin Wells pokes one left center. That's good for a double, but the Bulldogs couldn't get anything across in the inning, so we move to the top of the third with a runner on third for Kyle Welsh, and he's going to rope a double to left, and that makes it 2-0 Prestonsburg. Black Cats really get it going in the sixth. Bases loaded for Adam Crisp, and he's going to send a shot to left center. That clears the bases, and Peaburg is up 7-0. Same inning. This time it's bases loaded for Kyle Chafin, and he gets all of that one. He sets fire to the rain. A grand slam as Prestonsburg advances to the All-A State Tournament in Lexington with the 11-1 win over Hazard.